Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer tub to pump hose. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tub to pump hose. The tub to pump hose carries the wastewater from the tub to the drain pump. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged, you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the access panel on. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to hold on to the access panel so it doesn't fall. Lower it down and lift it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the access panel off, and since we're going to be taking the tub to pump hose off, we're going to drain the water out of the tub. If there's any left in there, you can put the spout down, put a container down here, and take the filter out and let any water that may be in there drain out. You can also clean this filter while you have it out. Once you're done draining it, just put the filter back in and flip the spout up. Reach in and put a towel down, catch any water that may come out. Take the hose out. And we're gonna use the pliers to squeeze this clamp so we can loosen it up and slide it back. Once you have the clamp slid back, you can pull it off the fitting. Then we can reach in with the Phillips screwdriver and loosen up the clamp that holds the tub to pump hose to the tub. Once you have the clamp loosened up, you can reach in and pull the hose off the tub. And then once you have it hanging down, you can reach in with the pliers again and compress the clamp that holds the hose onto the air chamber. Once you have it moved down, you can pull the tub to pump hose off the air chamber. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the washer. Here's the old tub to pump hose next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new one in, we have to swap all the clamps over. So we're just going to grab the pliers and swap these two over. You want to make sure you swap these over, you put the clamp in the same position so you can reach in and compress it when it's in the washer. Then we can swap over the screw clamp. All you have to do is pull this one off and put it onto the new hose. Once you have them all swapped over, we can put the new tub to pump hose into the washer. To put the new tub to pump hose in, we're just going to slide it back into the washer and put it onto the air chamber. If you want, you can get the fittings on the hose and the tub wet. It'll make it easier for the hose to slide on. Once you have it pushed on, you want to make sure it's lined up. There's a little arrow on this side that you have to line up with the arrow on the hose. Make sure it's lined up before you put the clamp up. Once you have it lined up, you can reach in with the pliers and compress the clamp, move it up the hose. Once you have that clamp in, we can grab the screw clamp and put it back on the hose if it got moved while you're putting that first clamp on. Once you have it in place, we can lift the tub to pump hose up onto the tub. Make sure it goes all the way on in the front and the back. Once you have it in place, you can use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten down the clamp. To put this one on, all you have to do is line up the hose and the fitting and make sure the arrow's right at 12 o'clock. Then we can grab the pliers and move the clamp up so we get a good seal. Once you have the clamp in place, we can put the access panel back on. To put the access panel on, I'm just going to lift it up into place. And then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in that hold it on. Now that we have the washer put back together, we can plug it back in, turn the water on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.